and babes, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to be doing a lip gloss called Glazed Donut. So I did go ahead to put on my hand sanitizer, and I'm definitely going to put on some gloves. COVID is out here and it's definitely not playing fair, so gloves it is. So moving on, I am going to be using a gloss base from TKB Trading because it is vegan and cruelty free. So I decided to go with that gloss base. Also, I did go ahead to grab my bowl and my measurement cups. Also, I did set the tone with the strawberry pound cake candle from White Barn. So like right now, I am putting the gloss base inside of the measurement cups. So that one right there was the 1/4 cup, and then this one right here that I'm doing now is the 1/3 cup. Also, you will need some syringes, pipettes, and of course the lip gloss tubes. So right now, I am going to go ahead to put the gloss base inside of the bowl. This is actually like my favorite part because look at how peaceful that looks. It's like not even in slow-mo. It just went inside of the bowl like that. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm just weird, but I like stuff like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead to do the same thing with the green cup measurement. You know I'm talking about, that one right there. And it just looks so peaceful again. Like, that has to be the best part about making lip gloss. So satisfying. But moving on, using that same cup, I am going to use coconut oil, and it has to be fractionated because you guys, starting off, I used like one that wasn't fractionated, like, you know, like the kind that you get from like the grocery store, and it's already like a solid. You guys, I tried using that in like a lip gloss, and I left it outside in the car in the wintertime, and it went to a solid. Like, it was over, it was a wrap. So I was like, I can't do that. But that's the only oil that I put inside because I'm regular. I'm not putting in nobody's vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, avocado. Child, I keep it simple. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix it up and enjoy some more music. Alright, my love, so right now I am trying to find the pigments that I used before when I was making glazed donut, and also finding the glazed donut essential oil or flavoring oil. With me, I prefer Get Suckered for my flavoring oil, only because like I tried Lorraine was cool, but she doesn't have like a wide variety. Like at Get Suckered, they have like desserts, candies, they have like beverage flavors and everything. So Get Sucker is just my go-to. But I am going to go in with the 24 karat gold mecha powder that I got from TKB Trading. Their pigments is also vegan and cruelty free, but with me, I just eyeball it. I just see like how much I want to put in there. And I also did the glazed donut before, so I'm going to try to get it as close as I did before, but they all come out different and unique in their own way. So now I am going to go in with Australian Amber, and I think I put too much because it made it like a darker shade before. So yeah, you guys, FYI, when you start mixing like the powders together or the pigments together, start off very slow, because if not, then all of the glitter and the pigment is going to go everywhere. And now we're just going to mix it together until we're ready for the third pigment. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with the third pigment, which is Antique Copper. Yeah, this one I had only put like a little bit in because it's already like brown, and I kind of wanted to go with like a gold color, but then again, like Glazed Donut was giving me like a brown too as well. But I don't know, we'll see how it comes out. The one that I made before, it was like a gold color. This one's more like a brownish copper gold. Yeah, so it's coming out cute. I like it, but I just needed to add more coconut oil. Yeah, because it was giving me heavy thick vibes, so I did add more coconut oil, and now we're going in with the Glazed Donut flavoring oil. All right, so I'm gonna put a couple drops in there. I want to make sure that y'all can taste this glazed donut honey, so I put like 4 to 5 drops in there. You feel me? And yeah, now we're just gonna mix it together and enjoy some more music. So y'all, I decided to go back in with the 24K because I was like, this kind of dork. Like, it came out dork. But I tried to go back in. Look at all the pigment going around, because I wanted to mix it all fast. And I tried to go back in with the 24K to see if it'll brighten it up just a little bit, just a tad. But we're gonna see at the final results. Alright, so now we're gonna grab our syringe. I use a 60 ml syringe because you can just suck up more at one time. So I just, easy, the better, the more mariner. Y'all picking up what I'm putting down. Y'all smelling what I'm stepping in. And that right there, what I just cut off was the pipette, which is a 3 ml. Because like with the pipette, you have to take the top off You have to cut the top off and then you have to cut the bottom off so it's easier for it to suck up everything. Some lip gloss people or lip gloss makers, creators, whatever tickles your fancy, they like to open up the whole top of the syringe and then scoop the lip gloss in that way. I tried it. It doesn't do me any justice. So I just suck it up from the bowl and yeah, throw it in a lip gloss tube and going about my day. So we about to fill up these lip gloss tubes and listen to some more music. So that what I'm doing right there is I'm just squeezing the tube to get out all of the bubbles. So when you're filling up the lip gloss tube and you're done and you look at it, it doesn't look all bubbly. So that helps to take out all the bubbles. And then I just grab like a Pampers baby wipe, the sensitive kind, and wipe around the top of the tube for a more cleaner look. So now I'm going to go ahead to wipe around the top of each and every lip gloss tube with the Pampers baby wipes, the sensitive kind, just to give it a more cleaner look. So when a customer does purchase the glazed donut, it won't look all dirty and all sticky around the top. So yeah. guys, we have came to an end. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. This is the final product, glazed donut. All of them did come out unique and different in their own way. And I do want to show you guys the batch that I did before. I did tell y'all that it came out like a little lighter than the one that we just did. That one looks more glazier, if that's a word. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.